Hey everyone, welcome back to Poolin Embroidery Studio. Today we've got something special for you. Yeah, it's a baby onesie. If you love DIY, you won't want to miss this video. Let's dive in now. Of course, before we get started, there are a few basic materials we'll need to prepare. Now secure this onesie onto the embroidery hoop. This is a very important step to make sure the fabric is flat and secure, preventing any shifting or wrinkles during the embroidery process. Also, if your onesie is made of stretchy or soft fabric, you can use a water-soluble stabilizer. Next, let's choose an embroidery design. You can directly import DST or DSP format designs through this USB port on your machine. Today, I've selected a super cute tiger design for you. This design is perfect for any baby, whether it's boy or girl. Alright, now let's play the screen. For this design, 5.5 square hoop is enough. Next, it's time for the colors. I really enjoy this step, picking a few colors that complement the onesie, making it look more coordinated and stylish. Okay, just click this button and it will help us present the position of the embroidery design. Everything is ready, time to witness the magic. All finished. Now you can send this special onesie to your friends or create a personalized onesie for your family members. What a heartwarming and meaningful DIY project! That's it for today's baby onesie tutorial. If you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.